Yo, just launched the app, got a shop and deliver for some alcohol. $13.50 for 6.8 miles. Excuse me, do you have access to the liquor?
Just push the button and somebody will come up.
It says it's broken. Maybe it's just labeled differently.
Yeah, maybe.
That ain't gonna happen.
That's not gonna
Nope.
Yeah. Hi, how are ya? How's your morning going? We'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you.
Bye now.
So I just looked at the map for this order. I'm pretty sure I was there earlier this week and there's no response. So I had to dispose of said alcohol myself. I usually send a message before I arrive saying I'll be getting there soon. Please have your ID ready. Just to give them a heads up. A lot of the times people don't have their IDs and just expect me to hand them alcohol.
Your destination is on the left.
Loop.
All right.
And then just scribble on that red line for me. Good enough for me. Well, at least I know he tips well. I think I was about 2 minutes away from having a repeat of last time. I'm not much of a disposer of alcohol anymore. I'm okay with just getting paid. Next order just came in. It's a Starbucks, $11.25 for 4 miles. Thank you. That was a long wait. So I just took this IHOP order. It was $9 and some change for like 4 miles. I'm kind of hoping that they're still doing the takeout only. Otherwise, this one might get reassigned. I saw the sign on their door, so I might be in luck.
All right, hold on, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Just got a Starbucks order, $10.25 for about 3 miles. It's at a different one, so it might be a little bit quicker than last time. Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
You as well. Just got another IHOP order. I think it said $7.40 for like 2 miles. Unless this Starbucks order is better. $10.25 for 4.7. Just gonna go ahead and do the IHOP because this is going to the slow Starbucks that I had this morning. Thank you.
Welcome. What is that? That was a cow.
Yeah.
Cool.
New order just popped up. $8.75 for 4.2 miles on that slow Starbucks. I think I'm gonna take the risk just because it's $8.75. Chance of a hidden tip. All right, next order is a Starbucks order. $7.75 for 3 miles. Not the best, but I'm just taking it to keep busy.
Your destination is on the right.
Just got the shop and deliver order for some alcohol. It's $11.75 going 4.5 miles.
Oh, I have training to do. Sexual harassment videos. For what? What are you talking about?
Hello.
Hi.
Is this for you?
I had to reset my phone
Oh, gotcha, gotcha.
because it wouldn't let me
Go ahead.
take a picture.
Jesus. Hello. And then just scribble on that red line.
Yeah, of course.
Good enough for me. I don't know if this is a weird thing to say, but she smelled really good. Next order is a stacked order for Sherry's, 10:59 I think it said, going 4 miles.
Yeah, Catherine's not ready yet, but Brittany's ready.
Okay.
So these two are for Catherine,
Okay.
and that's for Brittany.
Gosh. Perfect. Thank you.
Matthew, hold the door open.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So this first order of the two, I know has been sitting there for a long time. Because it was sitting on the counter when I got there, and looking at the payout for it, $4.59. That is not the right one.
Melatonin. Pure Z Sleepless Next Day Energy is a bilayer tablet with immediate release.
Loop.
Hello. Come on.
Just got a shop and deliver order for some alcohol. 1075 going 4 miles. Let's go ahead and do that. Could you call someone for the alcohol?
And you just push the button.
It says it's broken.
It's been working. I would try pushing it.
Are you guys required to wear cameras?
How's your day going so far?
It's going, man.
Yeah.
How's yours?
Busy, so it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Making money.
Football's on, so sorry about that.
Good enough for me. And on that note, I think I'm gonna be calling it there. I think my current total is around 133, 134. And I think I have one Uber tip yet to come in. Should put me at 140-ish. There's a lot of good money to be made today. Not sure if I kept it in, but as that last customer was saying, there's football. A lot of high-paying orders, alcohol orders. But I am just starving, so I'm gonna be calling it there. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah. Bye.